Take a ride in the 2016 XC90. The Volvo XC90 provides refined luxury with unrestricted pleasure on the side. Experience the Volvo XC90 from the inside out and see why you'll want to take everyone on tour. And is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.